Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a wild story of how one little message from the White House sent the financial markets on a complete roller coaster ride. It's a perfect example of just how sensitive things are right now. So, let's set the scene. And everything seemed to be business as usual. The Dow Jones was enjoying a nice little rally, up over 200 points. Investors were feeling pretty optimistic. The headline was dramatic. The White House announced that Iran had shot down a U.S. drone over international waters in the Strait of Hormuz. Immediately, the mood shifted. Panic started to creep in. Any conflict there could send oil prices through the roof and throw the global economy into chaos. As you can imagine, traders started selling. Fast. We're talking about a swing of over 350 points in a matter of minutes. At the same time, the price of crude oil shot up. Everyone was bracing for the worst, thinking this could be the spark that ignites a major military conflict in the Middle East. But then, just as quickly as the panic started, the story took another bizarre turn. A second message came out. This one was a correction. A clarification from the White House. It turned out the initial report was wrong. The official statement was actually still being drafted and wasn't ready for release. The first message had been sent out by mistake. An error. A simple, human error. As soon as that correction hit the wires, the markets did a complete 180. It was like a collective sigh of relief echoed through Wall Street. Oil prices began to retreat from their highs, and gold gave back some of its gains. The whiplash was incredible. In the span of less than an hour, we saw a rally, a crash, and another rally, all triggered by a mistaken news alert. So what can we learn from this? Well, first, it shows just how on edge the markets are. The geopolitical situation, especially concerning Iran, is a powder keg. Investors are watching every single headline, and any sign of escalation can trigger a massive sell-off. The algorithms that drive a lot of modern trading react instantly to keywords like Iran, Strait of Hormuz, and shot down, which amplifies the volatility. Second, it's a powerful reminder of the importance of verifying information, especially in the age of instant news. That first, incorrect report caused real financial turbulence. It shows how easily misinformation, or in this case, prematurely released information, can have significant real-world consequences. Imagine the traders who sold at the bottom of that dip, only to watch the market rebound moments later. It's a tough lesson in the dangers of reacting too quickly to breaking news. This whole episode also highlights the delicate balance of communication from official sources like the White House. Every word matters. A single misstatement or premature release can send shockwaves through the global financial system. It underscores the immense pressure on officials to be precise and careful with their messaging, especially when dealing with matters of national security and international relations. In the end, the day finished not too far from where it started, but the journey to get there was a wild one. It was a stark illustration of the fragility of market sentiment in today's world. This isn't just a story about stocks and oil. It's about how information, and sometimes the lack of it, shapes our economic reality. The market's reaction was a clear signal to policymakers and world leaders. The world is watching, and the stakes are incredibly high. It leaves us with a lot to think about, doesn't it? How much of market movement is based on solid fundamentals versus pure raw emotion and reaction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think this event says about the state of our markets and our world? It was a crazy day, and it's a story that's definitely worth remembering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the events shaping our world. See you in the next one.